Here's how to fix Snapchat not loading snaps. Now, if you open up the Snapchat app, but it's just not loading any snaps, somebody sent you one and you tap on it and it's just not loading up with anything. It's not showing you that video. I'm going to show you some steps to get that fixed. Now, the first thing is, of course, if we open up and tap on your messages, you can always just tap on those snaps where it says new snaps and it should load them up as normal. Now, if this doesn't work, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into a web browser and we're just going to type in speed test here and run a quick speed test. You want to basically check to make sure your internet connection is not the reason why these snaps aren't loading. A lot of times, maybe you just have a poor internet connection, and that's the reason why your phone can't connect to the Snapchat servers and load up all of these snaps. So if you have anything over a few megabytes per second, you should be good to go. Now, the next thing we're going to do is type in is Snapchat down and go to down detector because we want to make sure ultimately that the Snapchat servers are not down, and that's why all those snaps are not loading. So if you see a big spike in reported outages here, basically you just need to wait until Snapchat gets everything back up and running. It's usually within a few hours, and then you should be able to watch any of those snaps. Now, after you go through both of these steps, the last thing you can do is either go into your App Store or Google Play Store, and we're just going to search for Snapchat here. Go to Snapchat and you can see right next to it, it says open. If it says update, just update to the latest version because potentially there's some kind of bug or glitch in there. By updating it, it should get rid of anything. Of course, if you're on your iPhone as well, you can go into the settings and offload that app as well if you want to do that. That helps to clear out the cache and all of the old app files, reinstalling those new app files. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.